It's very easy to find your car with Siri once you enable the option to save the parked location of your car on your iPhone. If you want the Maps app to automatically save your parked location on your iPhone, you should have turned on the Show Parked Location, Location Services, and Significant Locations settings. After these settings are turned on, iPhone will automatically save the recent parked location on the Maps app. Now you can ask Siri to show the recently parked location of your car. To do so, invoke Siri by saying "Hey Siri" and then follow with the command, "Hey Siri." Where is my car?
Here's your car.
Tap on the parked car location to open the navigation option to go to your car. You can also ask Siri about the parked location. "Hey Siri.
Uh-huh.
Where did I park?"
Okay, here's your parked car.